What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Killing Me Softly by the Fugees on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial I upload here on YouTube, I will include a skip to section right here where you can skip to either the chords or the strumming for the song if you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video. I totally get it. I totally understand. But if you did, I'd love you forever. Also, one thing I do want to note about this video is that the title does say Fugees, but I do know that it is also from Roberta Flack. I am educated in that sense. I know a few people were like, hey, Ricky, this is not the Fugees, it's Roberta Flack. I know. But I just grew up listening from the Fugees, you know what I mean? So with all that said and done, let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song. Boom. Alright, so let's learn these chords. As always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then have me talk you through it. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the first chord, which is the A minor chord. And how we're going to play this one is, you're going to take your middle finger. You're going to place your middle finger on the top string, which is the 4th string. So it's going to be 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the A chord, and how we're going to play this one is, you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, just like we did for the A minor chord. But the only difference is you're going to add your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the A minor 7 chord, and you're going to thank me because this is the easiest chord of this entire video. Basically, it's just open string, so you're not going to put any of your fingers on any of the strings. You're just going to open string, play it, and it's going to sound like this. The next chord that we need is the B7 chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger over all 4 strings on the 2nd fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, which is the bottom string, 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the D chord, and how I play this one is I take my pointer finger and I go over the top 2 strings, which is the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and then I take my middle finger and I place my middle finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, so you're basically occupying the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string on the 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the E minor chord. How I always say it looks like a staircase going down. How we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and finally you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the E7 chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 4th string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And finally, take your ring finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the E minor 7 chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger and place your middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the infamous F major 7 chord, and if you want to play it like this way, the traditional way, go ahead, be my guest, but we're not going to do that today, or at least I'm not going to play it like that today. We're going to do a little bit of a cheat way to do this, and it sounds exactly the same. So how we're going to play this super hard chord and simplify it is we're just going to play it with our pointer finger. So you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to go on the 5th fret. You're going to go take your pointer finger and go over the 4th and 3rd string on the 5th fret, and it should sound like this. So super easy. So you have a choice. Do you want to do it the super hard way or just play it with your pointer finger? Again, you're just going to go over the 4th and 3rd string on the 5th fret, and it should sound like this. Super easy. So much better. And last but definitely not least is the good old G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that we need for this song. If you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then once the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming. I'm going to teach you 2 different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like Ricky. I don't even want to add a strumming. I just want to get through the song. I love this song. It means a lot to me. I want to play the song for my friends, family, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, my dogs. I play the song for my dogs sometimes and they absolutely love it. But if you're like, I don't want to add a strumming, please just do something super, 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 super simple. Well, I got you. So the first way we're going to do it is just going to be with a down strum. So whenever you see a chord change, just strum down. Alright, and the second way that we can play this song is with an actual strumming pattern. So that strumming pattern is going to be, I'm going to put the E chord down, and that strumming pattern is down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time in 3, 2, 1. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So again, you can play that as fast or slow as you want. And that strumming pattern you play for once for every chord. So it's going to go from, let's do an exercise. Let's go from E minor to A minor to D to G. So we're going to do that strumming pattern once for every chord. So in 3, 2, 1. A minor. D. G. So again, that strumming pattern is just going to be a down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And again, the chord sheet below will be your best friend. Play along. I play that exactly the same way. In the intro, though, I do down strum for the first, for the actual intro of it. I think it just sounds more dramatic. And then you can go into the strumming. And again, as I said previously, you can go as fast or slow as you want it. If you want it to be super fast tempo, play it faster, or if you want to slow everything down, you can just do a. But the most important thing is that you play this strumming pattern once for every chord, and then as soon as you see a new chord change, you start back up with that strumming pattern. So that is it. It's pretty simple throughout the entire song, and it sounds just as awesome. And again, the full play along will be, again, your best friend. All these things will be your best friend. That's pretty cool. As always, if you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, what are you doing? Make sure to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube if you haven't already. Also, what I do want to say is a huge thank you to you for clicking on this video and hanging out with me for these 10-15 minutes. I truly can't thank you enough for all the support that we've gotten these past few months. Have been absolutely insane. We're about to hit 50,000 subscribers, which is absolutely bananas. I honestly can't even say that number without being like, what? Who? Me? Yes, it's us. We're about to hit 50,000 family members on this channel. So thank you again for all the support. I know there's 86 trillion videos you can watch on YouTube, and you chose to click this video. So honestly, we're Facebook official. Like I'm gonna put you on Instagram. Like we're in a relationship now. Is this weird? Because I'm gonna make it weirder if it's not. But anyways, thank you so much for the support. I honestly can't thank you enough. Also, if you're anything like me when you're watching a ukulele video and you're like, dude, what uke are you playing? It looks and sounds beautiful. I'm not talking about you, Ricky. I'm talking about your uke. Give me the details. Give me the 411. I need to know. I got you. This is a tenor-sized Enya ukulele. It has a really fun cherry blossom design on the headstock, and it is a full solid mahogany ukulele, so it has a clear and bright sound. If you do want to get more information or actually get this uke, I will leave a link in the description below to the Amazon page. It does also come in concert size. So this is a tenor, but it is also available in concert size, and it does come with the beginner kit, which consists of the capo, tuner, strings, literally everything you need to start playing the uke it comes with, and also a really awesome padded gig bag. If you watch the review for this uke, you'll know #padded. It really comes with a great gig bag, which I always really appreciate. So again, if you want to get that entire bundle, I'll leave a link in the description below. And this uke, honestly, I'm gonna say it's gonna be in my top 5, maybe my top 3. I don't know, we'll see. And finally, we do have merch. If you do want to support this channel, I'll leave a link in the description below as well. Everything important will be in the description, so make sure to check that out. Also, all my socials as well. But I'm currently wearing the Potato Squad hoodie. This was in original just all white, but I decided to tie-dye it myself because one of our viewers, Kendra, she was like, hey Ricky, can you sell white hoodies or white versions of your hoodies, because I want to tie-dye them myself? And I was like, hey Kendra, I'm gonna steal the idea and do it for myself as well. So I really like how it came out. Again, this was the white one, but it does come in a bunch of colors, a wide range of colors. So if you do want to get, again, and support this channel, link will be in the description below. We also do have the official Uke Fam merch as well, which is our official logo for this channel. I'll pop a couple pictures on screen right now so you know what it kind of looks like. Everything is absolutely amazing and super comfortable, and honestly, I wear this all the time, so you've probably seen me in it like in 8,000 videos already, but I absolutely love it. And finally, if you do want to follow me and get more behind the scenes stuff and kind of just see what I do on a day-to-day life, I do have a vlog channel, which I will leave in the description below. It's my second channel. This is my main channel. I have a second YouTube channel that's going to be just vlogs and just kind of more fun things that are just of myself. I guess my day-to-day, which if that's something they're into, link will be in the description. And you can also follow me on Instagram. We've reached over 56,000 Instagram family members. I can't thank you enough. Make sure to send me a DM and let me know what video you came from. But again, second YouTube channel, Instagram. Leave a comment if you want to. I would absolutely love to read your comments. I don't get that many, so chances are I will read and comment back on these videos. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you being here. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I gotta do it. I'll see you later. Bye.